Myself, Rishabh. I'm from Gonda city of Uttar Pradesh. When I completed my MSc from Information Technology, I got placed in HCL. But due to some family issues, I stayed back at home. And it was my dad's dream that I should be a government job. I should get a government job. So after I lost him, I started working on that, my dad's dream. Actually, the thing was that I was fully prepared that I'm not going to waste any kind of bucks on that offline coachings at 50 to 20,000 bucks. So I just मैंने सोचा कि नहीं, I'll go for that online course only. So I just switched that Bankers for TalentSprint video course. मतलब आज पहले मैंने वीडियोस देखे उसके, मतलब सीधी सी बात है, जैसे firstly you just use it, no, then only you purchase it. I just gone through the videos of that Rohit sir. From morning wake to evening night sleep, banking, only banking, nothing else. No friends, no social media, nothing else. No one else in the world existed for me for that particular 6 months. What matters most is how much you practice, and that practice includes your mock tests, your daily quizzes, and your practice should be on daily basis. And especially if you are getting that valuable feedbacks, just like Tia, that where you are lacking, what are your strong points, what are your weak points, it is quite helpful for you. All these mock tests are pan-India basis, so you also get a hint of your rankings, that where do you stand. जैसे मैंने ये देखा कि that you have been provisionally allotted Baroda Gramin Bank Officer Skill 1. That moment I can't describe in words, nor anyone can feel that. A deep thank, a heartily thanks to all members, from all the faculty members of TalentSprint, Rohit sir, Sylvia ma'am, and to all others whom I don't know. Thank you, TalentSprint.